Well, g'day curd nerds. Got a taste test video for you today. It is the Jack in the Box cheese, very much anticipated. It was made in January 2023 and it was ready on the 11th of April, so not very long off. So let's just cut into it. Quick look. So aged for 3 months. This cheese was made in 2 separate batches. So it was a white cheese on the outside, and inside was a Monterey Jack. So the white cheese was made in the style of a farmhouse cheddar. So it should have very nice cheddar overtones. Is it damp? No, my hand is, but not that. A little bit. A little bit away. It's just moisture in the bag, so it's no big deal. Put that down. It's just around the outside where it was in the bag. So it has a beautiful effect on it, and that is, you can see around the outside just a hint of what's on the inside. So a little bit of a different colour around the edge, which is really cool. But I think it will look quite stunning as we cut into it. So let's do our best, shall we? Ooh. Here we go. So a little bit crumbly, but what's it look like? Oh, very nice. Bit of a surprise. Very cool. So it's got the pepper jack inside, so it kind of looks like a hat where I had too much pepper jack cheese. So it kind of spilled over and made this hat, or lid to the box, I'll call it. So it looks pretty good. So I like it. It's a little bit crumbly, as it should be for this style of cheese. I'll just cut it in. So I'll just cut it in quarters. I've got to taste it. Oh, nice. Yeah, much better cut. A little bit of mechanical holes in the inside one, the inside cheese, but that's to be expected because it was a little bit difficult to press. So, and probably didn't get the pressure that I need. I put 50 pounds of pressure, or 22 kilos, on it. But as far as a slice of cheese, that's pretty good. We're getting a bit of dragging. That's from the chili peppers. So, yeah, really cool. I love the colour contrast. And there's a chili seed that got dragged through. But let's grab some crackers and see what it tastes like. So I've got some crackers, and I've got some friends as well. The Westie Bear gang's here. So, got my crackers. Should have put them on there in the first place. No cheese for you. Right, where was I? Back at the taste test. So just pop that out the way. And so I'll try a piece predominantly with the Monterey Jack, or the pepper jack. Yeah, pepper jack. So I'll try that. Oh, there's the kick. Nice. That is very nice. Oh, fiery. That took my breath away. Yeah, that's good. That's a nice little chili cheese. Oh, yeah. Delicious, beautiful, buttery, umami flavour sticks out. Yeah, really nice. And the chili bite. It took a little while, but it's there now. Yeah, that's good. So I'm just need a glass of water. Whew. Oh, goodness me. Right. I know milk's better, but that's what I've got at hand. Let me just try some of this, just the outside cheese, because it was made in 2 batches, so I just want to see if this is, it smells lovely. Very different flavour from the inside part of the cheese. So nice. It's a little bit milder. So a bit more like a bit like a Howder or Gouda or Gouda, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, different flavour on the outside, but the inside, definitely a fiery, very full-bodied pepper jack. And the inside's a little bit more saltier than the outside. Yeah, that's the difference. Which is perfect, good contrast. The cheese is lovely, nonetheless. So well worth making this cheese. Not only because it looks cool, but you get 2 different flavours in one, which is really good. Good value for a cheese, 2 in 1. Now maybe I overdid it with the chili, maybe not, but a lot of people like their, their chili cheeses to have a kick. I certainly do, because why put chilies in if you're not going to taste them? So yeah, it does taste great. You could put, dry green chilies in as well as red ones that I've got here. If you're going to use fresh chilies, make sure that you boil and then simmer them for about 5 minutes to get rid of any bacteria and yeast that may be lurking on them, and then add them into your mix, as I did in the making video. Overall, that is a roaring success. Great cheese, great visuals, and well worth making, even though, you do the double pot stirring, so really good. So if you want to go and check out the video tutorial on how to make Jack-in-the-Box cheese, then you can click, in the end card. Yeah, don't forget that you could probably, you could get away with the hard cheese kit one for this, but you will have to add in some MA 4001 culture. And we had that in store at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. So brilliant cheese, well worth making. So if you also want to learn how to make cheese in a structured way, then you can do no better than the Curd Nerd Academy. We have 2 courses up now. We have a beginner's course where you learn to make 9 cheeses, and we have a blue cheese course where you learn to make 6 blue cheeses in your own home. So they're well worth it. I'll put a link in the description below for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I will see you next time.